You may not always see a cold or flu coming, but Harrison Urgent Care is here to help you see it go. With clinics in Belfair, Port Orchard, and now on Bainbridge, we're open 7 days a week, no appointment necessary. See us for everything from earaches to sprains. Say hi to feeling better fast at harrisonurgentcare.org.